Google Pixel 6a how to screenshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can screenshot on Pixel 6a, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open settings and let's just say you go to these options over here, let's say system, and you can see if you go to gestures here, you can see camera, phone, one-handed mode, flip to power off, and so on. But wait, there is no swipe to screenshot or palm gesture to screenshot on Pixel. So for this you have to use the buttons only. So if I want to take a screenshot, the power button is at the top and the volume buttons are at the down, right? So all you have to do is actually press the power up as well as the volume down buttons, not the volume up but the volume down button and the power up button at the same time, like this. And now you can see it has successfully taken a screenshot, and this way you can take screenshot on Pixel 6a. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.